What it is, what I do, my bad and bougie crew. Alright y'all, so this video is going to be a little bit different. While we were cooking, I realized everybody don't have the luxuries that we have. I was watching something on TV, and was it on TV? No, I wasn't. Wow. Okay, everybody don't have the luxuries that we have. I was talking to somebody, and when I was talking to them, they were telling me how, you know, they were telling me that the way they cook food in their house is either a microwave or a skillet. And so I was like, well, dang, you know, it made me feel bad because they had 2 kids. Or they have 2 kids, and they're pretty much living in like one of them houses that's in the back of a normal house. I don't know what they call back houses. Is that what they're called? Back houses, something like that. And so it's not much that they can do. So I know a lot of people might say, no, you use your hands and spread it out. So I know a lot of people might say this is not healthy. I'm cooking right now. I know a lot of people might say that this is not healthy and that you shouldn't do this, but you don't know who needs it and who's in what kind of situation. You get what I'm saying? Well, y'all should. I hope y'all get what I'm saying. It's not like I can respond. I gotta remember that. So this next thing that I'm about to show y'all how to make, it's really simple. It's really easy. For those of you that's just lazy, for those of you that are, maybe y'all like the people I talk to and y'all don't have no microwave and y'all just want to know how to cook stuff, this is how. Now I understand that the microwave has a lot of radiation, so I'm not saying this is the best way to cook it, but this is a video. All of us didn't start in a good house. All of us didn't start, you know, in an apartment. We started from ground zero, some of us. So for those of you, if you're just working with a microwave and a skillet, or maybe you don't know how to cook and you just want to do something quick and eat, I don't know what your beliefs are, what you like. I just want to show you how to do this. So I'm showing you how to make mixed vegetables in the microwave. Tonight I'm being lazy, alright? And I wasn't going to video this, but I said let me video this for those that don't have a that don't have a stove, or like I said about the people that I was talking to, and they didn't have the luxury. So I don't want mine. Y'all remember these? My teriyaki onions. Y'all want to see how to make those? Gotta go look at the video. It's a video on it. Okay. I know y'all hate all the talking, but yeah, so let me turn that all the way down. Gotta get the lowest of the low. Alright, so this is what you want to do. Get you your mixed vegetables. Put them in a bowl. I got these mixed vegetables in a bowl. What you see in this bowl is some butter. Right there. Some salt, some pepper, and some sugar. So you want to season your whatever you put in that bowl, mixed vegetables, whatever vegetables. You can do this with broccoli, you can do this with cauliflower, pretty much any vegetable that you want to make, or any frozen vegetables. I have never did this with actual vegetables, but I know people who would make fresh veggies in the microwave. It's pretty much you're just steaming them. It just takes a little bit longer in the microwave because remember it's a microwave. So what you want to do is put some water in here so it'll steam. See my water? And then we mix this up. So where's the spoon so we can mix this up? Ooh. They're so big. That's fine. Alright, you won't have to say so. See that? We're gonna mix these up. Let's mix these up. Look, y'all, I got a lot of dishes going on tonight. So we're gonna mix that up. Has that salt, the peppers in there. You sure? It tastes the same?
It's a little sweeter, but I like it.
I can take away from it if you need me to. Alright, so you just mix it up. You're welcome. And after you mix it, you want to put your lid on it and you want to crack it. So make sure you leave that little ventilation for your veggies. And this is going to go into the microwave. Make sure it's cracked. Like I said, make sure it's cracked. Start off at 5 minutes, and we're gonna come back and check it after 5 minutes. I'll be right back. That wasn't sanitary, was it? So it's been 5 minutes. I'm trying to take it out without burning myself. Ouch! Alright, it's been full. I almost slipped and fell. It's been 5 minutes, y'all. So here's what you want to do after 5 minutes. You see all that steam? Let's bring it over here. Okay. After 5 minutes, you want to mix. And then you want to make C. See, that's not done. That ain't done at all. So we're going to put these back in the microwave for another 5 minutes, the same way, with the lid halfway on. See, the lid is cracked. I'll come back in another 5 minutes. All right. Let's see how these are doing. And then sometimes you might need to take them out and check them halfway through. So I'm gonna put these back in for another 5 minutes, and then I think they'll be good. I'll be back. Yeah, I'm sure they're done. And if not, I gotta cook them a little bit more anyway. Yeah, that's super done. And they are seasoned. So good. I'm not just saying that for the video. It really is good. Because you can taste everything in it. And I like mixed vegetables. My mother always made baked chicken, mixed vegetables, and macaroni growing up. I can taste it in the dish already. I can already taste it. Ooh. Okay, that's the camera. I hope I'm not super light. I look super light to me. Well, I turned away. Can you move it over to me? Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Like this video. I keep saying thumbs up and like, girl. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed, and make sure you drop a comment, request some videos, or request some things, and follow all of my social medias that will be down below. I am Big Mama Tori. You can call me Tori, and peace.